What a very lovely coincidence. Well, in the grant. Distinguished guests, join me to welcome the man we call the FCT 001, His Excellency Chief Barrister Wike, Commander of the Order of the Niger, Grand Service Star of River State, Mr. Pro.
I said, well, I think you don't want most of us to stay. That's why today is 14th. And you know, those of us, what 14th of February means. We are very loyal today. And, if you don't show loyalty, anything that happens to you, you take it. Frankly speaking, Sunday, my friend, a very dependable ally, a very trustworthy friend, a good brother. His family, I will tell you how I know the family, the wife, what part, what role I played in my life. Today is my first day of seeing the mother. And I said, Mama, you owe the highest congratulations that you are alive. See your son attain the age of 60 years. It's not an easy thing. First of all, let me recognize my dear leader, the Chief Onor, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, a man who means a lot to people like us, not just in the legal profession, but a man who should be worthy of emulation, if it is possible. If it is possible. Somebody has said this and that, but Chief Onor is somebody that you would like to learn from him, and always there to teach the younger ones. Very humble, even at his age. The humility he carries is very infectious. Let me greet my national chairman of our party, the People's Democratic Party, and members of your working committee that are here. Your Excellencies, my good friends, former governors of Abia, and Delaware State, who is the chairman of Children's Education, the simple senators here, chairman board of trustees, our dear leaders, ladies and gentlemen. I told Professor Onor to allow me to speak because I'm worried out. We have an election on 21st of this February. So I have the duty to make sure anybody supporting President Tinubu wins the election. And I won't apologize to anybody. I say so. If you're not supporting Mr. President, I will not allow you to win. So many people have spoken about Sunday scholar. I've never been a scholar. So I won't talk about scholarship. So many people are talking to you, so I've spoken to about an orator. I've never been in the Senate where he's speaking. So I won't talk about it. But I will talk about Sunday Onor as a friend. Not just a friend, a reliable friend even when you're in trouble. That's when you see, it's not when things are moving on well. People come around you. When things are tough, that's when you know friendship. Professor Onor is a good friend. I will let you know why I say he's a good friend. In 1999, we are all chairmen of council. Onor was the deputy president. Association of Local Governments of Nigeria, 1999. Around 2021, 22, they were sitting from that position. I left River State, Port Harcourt. I go to Sandy's house in Calabar, 3 a.m. 3 a.m. I was knocking at his gate. Nobody was opening the gate. I never met him. But I hear it was the Deputy National President who is leaving, or who had leaving office. So after some time, I think someone got courage to say, well, if it is dead, let me die. He came and opened the gate. And I said, it is me, Chairman of the Local Government, I want to see you. He said, 3 a.m.? I said, yes, sir. That's when politics is played now. It is played in daytime. So, he allowed me to come in. The wife will be shocked about what I will say today. That's my first time I saw the wife. So I told Sandy, support me to be Deputy National President of our God. He said, but look, you have a candidate. I said, forget that candidate. Support me. If you support me, you will not lose. I pleaded with him. You know what the wife said? The wife said, look, my dear husband, for somebody to have left River State, Port Harcourt at this time, I'm coming to her this early morning. He was a serious person. Give him support. That was the wife. And due to time, showing loyalty to the wife, he obeyed the wife and gave me support. And that's how I became Deputy National President of Algon. From there, I became National President. So Sandy has contributed to my political growth in life. Now, and that is why I say, when you're in problem is when you know who's a true friend. Sandy in his political career, after that time, nobody wants to attend to him. I said, well, he came to me. He said he wants to run Senate. I said, one good turn serves another. Sandy, go anywhere. I will support you. Heaven will not fall. I don't abandon those who have made me. I don't abandon friendship. I like those who keep to friendship. He became a senator. He said he wants to run for governor. I said, Sandy, whatever you do, go. I will support you. And I have no regret for it. I have no regret. Sandy had lost so many things because of relationship with me. I remember when the time of NDDC, I called Sandy. Somebody's name was proposed. Because I supported him for governorship, the doctor said, don't bother yourself. What will be, will be. Now, the president is magnanimity, created, established South Development Commission. I want to say to everybody who's here, the chairmanship of that position was for River State. I said, look, this young man, this my friend has done well. I will make a sacrifice. Let you go to Cross River State. And he should be the one. But instead, in their wisdom, because he contested governorship with somebody, said they should remove it from him. And I said, if you are removing it, I will take it back. And I took it back. I've not seen Senator Jaribe here. Is he here? You are lucky that you are here. I say so because I was asking everybody, where is Senator Jaribe? Because I would have been so angry if Senator Jaribe is not here. Because I don't know him. It was Sandy who told me, this my brother, support him, and that I supported him.
Sandy, you don't tell me something. Sandy, you don't tell me something. If I don't follow your sheep, don't follow Kona. Sandy, you don't tell me something.
I've seen Alexo. You see, he's APC, but we have known for quite a long time. I knew him through Sandy. And he has stood firm with Sandy, irrespective of the political party. Alexo, continue. Nothing will make you fall down. So, I like people who keep the friendship. I like people who don't deny you when things are rough. When I was running for presidency, Sandy stood out. He said, whatever it is, he made sure that I got Cross River state votes. Yes, even though at that time, as governor, they know better. But they've run away now. I've chased them out. So, you see, I like people who will always be with you, whether it is rain, whether it is sun. So I'm happy. Sandy, God will continue to bless you and your family. You are a good man. You know, I have had friends. Some of them are here. Some of them may not have come. They can be lawyers, they can be senior advocate, they may not be senior advocate. Be a friend. Stand firm. That's why I talk about Canada here, isn't it? I spoke about Canada here. There are some people, friendship is what they get that time. When you don't provide it, they say all kinds of things. I want to tell you and your family, I will continue to be with you. I will continue to work with you. I will never depart from you because you are somebody, even if I'm not alive today, I know you will not abandon my family. Amen. And that's the kind of character you are. And that's what I encourage everybody. Don't do friendship based on what is available. Do friendship that I believe in this person. And that's what it is. Yes, you told me I would unveil the book. There will be no duration. That's what you said. That would be unfair for somebody like me who you have supported and you are going to launch your book on your behalf and you say, come and unveil it with empty mouth. I will not do that. If I will not do that. If you like, the EFCC full here.
No be cha cha cha. Yes, so we can my leader. Hey, no be cha cha cha. Yes, so we can my leader. No be cha. Hey, yes, so we can my leader. Come on, no be cha cha cha. Hey, yes, so we can my leader.
Cannot tempt me. I don't want to make more people more angry. Those who you can't trust. I don't want to make them angry.
They fear you, water. They fear